to the Walmart. Welcome back to the DigiKast.
Welcome back.
Streaming live from, not live at all, from Massanutten Resort. Yeah, so I guess, what do? We talk about what's been going on. This is day 2, day 1, I don't know.
I guess this is day, like,
This is really
2?
like day 1.
It's really like full day 1, yeah.
Full day 1. We got here last night. Got up at a reasonable time for vacation.
You did,
Now
not me.
it's like 4:30.
Yeah, we're just getting out for the day.
Yeah, been posting a bunch on the Instagram. So if you want to see what we're doing in more of a real-time situation, that's where you should be watching it and checking us out on the Instagram, on the IG, as the kids call it. But yeah, we're headed out to the Walmart. As you can see, I don't know what's the background. Massanutten Resort, Massanutten, Virginia, up in the mountains, the Shenandoah Mountains. They have a water park, but mostly it's a ski, snowboard, snow tubing type place. But yeah, they got an indoor water park, and that's kind of like the new hotness. It's too cold to ski. Go play in the pool, giant pool with the water slides and all that stuff.
Yep.
So, I don't know if we're gonna do any of that this year. Probably not. But next time, maybe.
Well, we might later in the week.
But yeah, we've been doing cold weather stuff. I made breakfast this morning. Made a bunch of coffee. I shoveled some snow. We have a patio with a grill on it. So I'm gonna grill some food. That's why we're headed to Walmart. Gonna get some supplies. And nothing like getting supplies where you're out and about at your vacation spot.
Right.
All right, everybody.
Woo! That was a nightmare.
That was ridiculous.
Yeah.
Now at Walmart.
Yeah. How long were we in there? Like 2 hours? Well, we didn't know where everything was. Anything was.
Was it 2 hours?
I don't know. I feel like we were in there all day. It was a long time.
It was long enough.
It was long.
You want to wait so I can move? Jeez. There you go. If you just stop, then you'd be able to move too. But no, you can't. Okay. Anyway, Wusa.
Wusa, yeah.
Yeah, 6 o'clock, and it was 5 o'clock when we went in there. So.
We were only in there for an hour?
Yeah, about an hour.
Damn, it feels like you're in there for 3.
Yeah, that's the pace at which people move in the store.
That was ridiculous.
Like old people going slow.
People all in the middle of the aisles.
Right.
People half dressed.
There was one girl that was half dressed.
Okay, one girl that was half dressed. Kids that ain't had no coats on, short sleeves. It was nuts.
Tell her this person go. No.
No, just go. Get the hell out of here.
You
Go
wanna
back
go
to the-
Krispy Kreme. I bet it's gonna be worse.
Only if the light's on. But it's only one thing,
Oh yeah, donuts and donuts.
Right.
You want donuts? We got donuts. You want hot donuts? Come back.
Yeah, I don't care about the hot and now donuts. Just can go somewhere.
All right, everybody.
Woo.
We are headed out from the Krispy Kremes. Yeah. So.
That only took a long time because the 5 teenagers in front of us couldn't make up their friggin' mind, and then they
Right.
kept adding stuff.
So I can take everybody. We're standing behind them, like we should jump in front of them, but we ain't really know what we want also.
Right.
But we kind of knew what we wanted. They're just standing around looking at donuts.
Right, talking amongst themselves about what tastes good and what looks good. And oh my god, awesome! I want that one. And then they place their order, and they're like, oh, and I want to get this. Like a third one says. She's like, anybody want anything else? Yeah, I want to also add. It's like, oh my god. Meanwhile, I already know in my head what I want. By the time I get up, but I didn't want to like jump in front of them and be rude. I'm not that person.
Should be rude.
No.
Yeah. Is that a Circle K?
No.
Inside a shell?
What's Circle K?
That.
I thought Circle K was like Kmart.
So we gonna go home and eat this Krispy Kreme donuts some food and put all this Walmart stuff away.
Yeah, we're grilling tonight in the dark.
Yeah.
But it's a private porch, huh?
We playing this poorly.
No, not really. I mean, we knew what we were doing.
Mm-hmm. I think there's a light out there.
There's a light. You can totally see.
Okay.
We'll be fine. We're having dinner. It's fine. We're on vacation. Who cares?
On vacation.
Do what we want.
Alright, the saga continues. Alright, peace up in the grill.
Love the world.